Good morning. Sumukit na. Thank you for Ayan. Hi, thank you for the likes. Yeah. Thank you for the likes, everyone here. Thank you for watching. 2 million here na. Hey there. Hi, John. You are sleepyhead. Sleepyhead. Just wake up. Thank you for sending the heart. Who's sending the heart? Thank you so much. Thank you for 3 people watching. You look lovely, of course. Thank you. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you doing? Hi. Good morning, guys. I'm doing fine. I'm alive. Thank you for always uh, visiting me here, my live stream. Thank you for 8 people. Thank you so much. Yeah. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Hi, 9 people. Thank you for watching, 9 people here. When I see you yawn, it makes me Sorry. Sorry, I yawn. Babaero daw ako, sinong may sabi, magkakating labi, hindi naman totoo. Babaero daw ako, sinong may sabi, but your smile makes me happy. Thank you, John. John. Babaero daw ako, Sino sabi, makakatinglapi. Hindi naman ito. Smile, I'll never let you smile. Babaero daw wakas. Sino sabi, but your smile makes me happy. Hindi naman ito. Bababain. Sinasabi, magkakahapi. Babaero. Sinasabi, magkakatinglapi. Thank you for the 11 people. Thank you so much. Will you be my girlfriend? Why? Why? Who are Why? And sit on my face. What? Shut up. Thank you for 5 likes. Sabi, hawakan mo naman ang aking ganyan. Thank you so much. Hi, my flower. Our dancer, thanks. Hi, where are you from? Keep smiling, beautiful. I'm off to make breakfast. Hope I will see you later. Okay. See you later here. How are you, Miss World? Miss World. I'm fine. Thank you. Where are you, sir? Where are you from, sir? Serdang. Eden Serdang. You're very nice lips, hairy eyes. Thank you. Hi, beauty nature lover. Hi. For the 12 people, nature lover. Me too. I'm a nature lover. I love nature. Listen. I'm from Turkey, Istanbul, Europe. Okay. Nice to meet you, sir. From Turkey. Erden Sterling. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching. Good morning, old man 50s. How are you? Thank you for joining. Thank you for 15 people here. 15 million. Thank you for the 15 million. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for sending them.
Maagi doon.
Sa Amerika.
Hindi sa taas. Ikabulang kami sa hapon.
Sa Badya, kaya may darakuan ano.
Hindi ka maagi?
Sa Badya, kay darakuan.
Ay nga, dito lang sa taas.
Dili ko aram.
Dito, agyon ako niya.
Sige. Dito yun nun.
Dito ako maagi, agyon ako niya.
Dito yun maagi, kay may participants, ano.
Pero i-chat mo ako para makarili.
Sige. Oo.
Dito lang dito na
I'm good, thank you.
Dito ka mo sa rito? Niyan nga, ora man do. Niyan nga ni bulawan ni mga kaabot kay bulawan pa niyan. Kada si bagak makulugong kay mo, bisira ka sa niya. Ikaw ba simple ano man lasong. Dito sa yung bagak ko. Pero nga nagtuduro sa'yo.
Lalo pa sa Kawayan, ha?
Ay,
may plano kami pa Kawayan.
Ito kami naasay sa, ano ba ga?
May plano kami ni Ma'am Ems pa Kawayan, maupod ka. Sabi ko, pa Kawayan. Nagwaparalano.
Hindi kami nagtulong kami sa Kawayan.
Pero
sa Kawayan. Hindi ko malimutan si Lisa. Nakapantalong pag sa Jaraw. Pagkabot sa katuran ng transport. Pagbabawa na sa kanya nag-upad ni Marty.
Si Risa Cortez?
Risa. Adventure. Ay, Amula. Hindi naman yan may isi. Kasag ka na, Marty yun. Pagbabawa sa kanya nag-upad.
Take care. Have a great day. Thank you, Old Man Lives. I'm police detective. I'm working police office. Turkey night 2:55 o'clock. Okay. Great job. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. 16 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you, Old Man, for joining here. My God, I will always love you. Oh my God. My God. Mapauri ako kay ma-surprise pag kami.
Masabi ako kay matay out pa
Ay, apatong ko muna si Maricar. Kung ano yan.
Masabi ako sa iyo. Uy. Masabi ako.
May tricycle si Maricar. Wala si driver. Gasolinahan pa na lang yun. Gasolinahan pa na lang. Si Maricar, napapahatod na lang na yung ticket dito. Gabi na nga kumakad to. Kaya
bulkot naman ako sa rakot.
Mama bulkot.
Yung sabi na kita din sa ano.
Sabi ko nga ni kahapon kay Pres, ay, tiri ako makaka-attend.
Kasi ako makakon.
Sabi, ay, pasensya. Kahapon, nagbaragat naman kami sa LC. Ay, pasensya ka na. Sino ka mo, mga dingaw. Sabi, ding ka mo. Sabi niya,
Basta doon na pagkasal. Hindi ko pala kasama ng pamilya. Kasi kapag ako may yapak mayan ka, nalimot ako sa anak ko tira sa ako. Nag-cross naman din sa ako.
Nanano?
Ay, diksunan ka.
Kay?
Ako, Jerry King. Mahal lang sa mga kaya ito. Tutok na lang. May doktor talaga sa EMSA.
Ay, may ano talaga.
Pagkakuha sa doktor. Surgeon na mag-gusto.
Operahan ka? Bali ano kain, kukulam ka. Bali kukulam ka na, yung kakarawang ka na. Ay ko nga niya mo. Ano nga na, tinawag niya niya ang ganun.
Nakapira ako na na play. Wala ko maisip.
Ako man nga nito, wala pa ako naisip dito. Naano ako sa nito.
Di mo mo nagtis pag ano kay Maoli.
Okay, ako man na nag-edit. Ako man na nag-edit. Beautiful eye. Edge, you want to have a baby with you, huh? Why? Hi, Ronaldo Franco. Hi, beautiful eyes. Thank you, 15 people here. Thank you so much. Babaero. Babaero. Babaero daw. Sino masabi? Ano ba yun? Kakating labi. Di naman ko. Babaero. Sino masabi? Sino may sabi? Sino may sabi? Di. Thank you for 21 people. Thank you so much. What time are you going to work? After live, I'm preparing going. Joel Roboto, good morning, beautiful. Good morning. Sino may sabi, magkakating lapi. Di naman totoo. Babaero daw ako. Sinong may sabi, magkakating labi. Thank you for 8 people likes. Thank you for 16 million watching. Thank you for 26 people. Thank you so much. 23 likes. 23 people here. Thank you for the likes. How are you? Where are you from? What are you doing? Kabudlay kaayo dede sa Bicol. Medyo parang ulan. Looks like windy here. Kalungkot. Just for love again. Da, 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 la, 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 la. Are you staying the whole night at the beach? They said yes, they're staying there, but I don't know if what their plans. I'm with my sister Christy. I'm with my sister Christy. She with me. I eat food there. I eat a lot food there because someone birthday. Free food to eat. Thank you for 29 people. Hi. Can you talk to me? Ang dami nyo. Wala man nagsasalita. Anong gagawin ko? Kunwari na lang ako. Kape tayo. Kape tayo. Thank you for the likes. Kape tayo, guys. Kape. Wait a minute. Charot! Wait lang. Anak. Sige, sunod na. Sige lang. Uy, iskabi number 7. Yeah, lapit yun na. Ano oras na? Ay, oo nga. 8:04 na.
8:04. Ate ko, sabi ko before 8, rin.
Para iskila sila ang
Yung sina nga si Riley dito.
nahanap talaga siya kay Anto.
Di mo kuno tita, ang saro kuno na Anto, ang nagsisiyak daw. O magkasin na.
Saro.
Kaya pag nagtukuha baga tita sa pasahero.
Nagsisiriyak.
Abot ko sila na Anto sa to. Ay, lamaw ko.
Aba, di si Kuan.
Pero okay. Para mga
They're couple.
mga takorante tina ina.
Drink you 21, 25. My.
Ano na ako?
Good morning.
Nakapatay ko na.
Babaero daw ako. Sino may sabi? Ating lapit. Di naman totoo. At K67, hello from the USA. Hi from USA. At K67. Thank you for joining. At K. Thank you for the likes. Babaero daw ako. Sino may sabi? Magkakatilapit. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Kuya Gab? Kuya Gesot?
Wait lang.
Kai? Why? Why wait lang? Why wait? Oh, my love, my darling. You're welcome. To turn off the lights. There we go, guys. Please give her a like, double tap your screen, thanks. Thank you for 35 people. Like.
Okay lang na. Dali na. Blue ball. Blue ball? Ay, ano?
Lifetime. yourself. There's the moon if ever you're in my secret. "41 people." Oh my god, 41. Hi. Oh, 41. Thank you for joining. I love you much better. Maas 63. Thank you for the likes. Kevin Carter. Kevin Carter. How are you doing, baby? Give me. What should I give you? I am nothing. Ouch. Aray ko. If you're in my arms again, this time, Liz Panes. Liz Panes. I'm gonna have you, baby. Why? Where are you from? Oh, I know you. I don't have things on. Man can't get pregnant. Cristiano Buenoite do Brazil. I'm from Austin. Where Austin country? Like 32 people. "34 people. Thank you so much. And no one hitting the like button. Can you please hit the like button? I sue myself. I love the heavy pretty woman. A lot of pretty women in the world. Yep. Larry Salinas. Hi, Larry. Kevin is calling you fat. I'm calling it back. Thank you. Noraland. 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 Are you married? No. Mickey Mason. Hi, Mickey Mason. She will be soon. Yeah. God. Every year, my arms again. Nice voice. Antonio Fernando, hello. Hi, where are you from? Mueto simpática. I am Bangladeshi. I'm from Philippines. Filipina. I will give you $100,000, baby. I love to have you. I love a year of. Kevin, Carter, what are you doing? I'm doing live. After the live, I'm going to work. Hi, Japet Tanum. He doesn't know how to speak. Yeah, I know. Marsh Bakoli. Hello, Marsh Bakoli. You're so pretty. Thank you for no. Do you use WhatsApp? No, I don't have WhatsApp. I don't have WhatsApp. Porque what it means? Porque Bisnal vem passear aqui no Brasil da Babam Dev. He's so cute. Wait, what? Listen, no, I don't have WhatsApp. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Philippines. Your boyfriend told me your channel. Who? Who's my boyfriend? Where are you from? Marsh Bakoli. Brazil. Noru. Eduardo Santos, Brazil. Do you Philippine? Yeah, I'm Filipina. I'm from Philippines. Yes. The Babam there. Babam there. Philippines. Yes, Mars. As a person from Philippines but married American. He told her that I'm single. I'm not single. Eduardo Santos. Not single. Norwola. Yes, I told her about us. Who's he? Who's she? Who's she? When you thought you talk to her private, Mars. She's your friend? You're not single. I'm not single. No, on YouTube. You joined another live. You joined her live. Gregory is her friend also. Really? Cheryl, stop thinking. No, I'm just asking. Oh my god. Nagla-live din ako now. Okay. So, Team Chucky, the hot Chucky, join your live. Mars pa ko. Nag-join sa live mo? $190. I figure when you get here, and you can be your friend here. Her husband met her like this way. Your husband? Your husband is also a foreigner. Total Bam Kongosi. Hello, Viara. He is American. Oh, wow. Her husband is also American. Cuban. They live in Houston. Wow. So where is she now? She in Houston now. Maybe my love will come back someday. Você is soltera ou casada? Good morning from Florida. Hi, Mickey Mason from Florida. So beautiful. Thank you, Shishu211. Shishu. Shishu. Maybe my love will come back someday. Hola, buenas noches, Marina. Only heaven knows, and maybe I ought to find a way. Only heaven knows, and all I can do is hope and pray. Mi gusto el melody ayer tanto smile lendo cuerpo. What it means, Nestor Omar. Nestor Omar, salam. Moham. Is it? Nada ko ang ko. Ganyan talaga ng bebe. Paparot ako. But you can buy your food also. You buy me and you buy your food too. Why one? Thank you, Kevin Coulter. I love you, baby. I love you, sing. Minumulto na ako ng damdamin mo, di mo pa. Can come here na. Hello, Suracha-chan. What team are you? Oh my god, I need to hear. Come here now. Oh, too big girl now. Good morning. Maybe 10. Ashley. Sorry. Good morning po sa inyo mag-ina. She's not my daughter. She's my niece. Stop kissing her. Why? Why? No, I don't like. Thank you for joining. Me to start tomorrow on. Bakalan mo man ako ng dito karaan mo bakalan mo kotsinta. Sabi mo kotsinta. Para lulos ka. Kotsinta 10 pesos. Kung may kotsinta. Opo, kung mara, di wag na lang. Stop kissing her. Salamat, X-Liu. Why salamat? Why si salamat? Oh, why? Oh. Mama, tagin man. Ay, ito na sa as. Sundan mo ito. pag-ibig sa'yo kahit na nagturugo ang pusa. Kung sakali ewanan ka na, huwag kang mag-alala. Filipina, yes. Or I kick those guys out. Huh. Ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Hindi ko umiibig sa'yo kahit na. Marcus Rock 24. Hey, hi Marcus.
Wala na, okay lang. Magbakal ka na lang sa iyo. Magbakal ka na lang sa iyo. Huwag Chucky ha.
Salamat. Ay, ano ka? Magsagilid ka lang mag-agi. Magpo ka. Magpupo. Amor soy de Argentina Corazon. $32 people watching this. Thank you to those who gives the likes. Thank you po. Single yet? I'm not single. Lol. Hi. Not Marcus, sorry. Yeah, din na si Ash. Paano?
Oh my God, sabi ko, wag Chucky. Why buy Chucky?
Magkano?
Ako nasa ito. Ayun yung tapos mga tapos hindi.
Ha?
Limited.
No money na. Oh my God. Welcome! Why natin school? No school today. Bakit wala kayo school ngayon?
Si Sarah Anto. Ay, tapos na.
Sira Kuya Gab. Ako wala school.
Tama ka wala kami school.
Why no school today? Why? Bakit? Ako wala kami yan. Mapagalyan na sa.
Wala kami school.
Umahi ka, kanina bibig ako.
Si Sarah Anto, the way on course. Kaya tapos na.
This call today.
Tita, thank you.
Welcome.
Pagkatapos ng hingis daw, may doon na isla ka na loko kita. Tita, cellphone na lang.
Ay, so. Can I borrow your phone later? Thank you. Bye. Why Gab not school? No school today. All level in grade school. Here and grade level. 1 to 6. Why? Because the teachers have an activity, important meeting or seminars, all teachers. Why want to borrow her phone later? I'm just joking. I'm always say that. It's a joke. How I borrow him if I'm going to work? I'm busy later. The kid don't learn. They are not in school enough. Amorcito de la Saludem. That means Mr. Rodriguez. Where from? I'm from Philippines. Cesar Tupan. Hi, Tupani. Cesar Tumbaga. Hello. Thank you for 23 people here now. Thank you so much. Correct. Ay, tiro yun. Ay, adi lang mo kaya. Ako na sinasabi mo. Adi lang mo kaya. Adi na mo. Ano yung kaliskit? Salamat. Ako na sa turingan. Stop before you break up. Great accent for a Filipina. Thank you. Beautiful, thanks. Lapit you sa cam. Estoy soltera, Beniti, para la Argentina corazón y nos casamos. What it means? Casamos. Hello, beautiful. Hi, Bulb. Very good morning, my beautiful. Okay, happy. Have a nice day to all. Namo Buddhaya, Namo Namaste. Very beautiful hairstyle. Thank you. I need to sit down. Namaste. 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 Gusto ko nang malaman, mahal pa kita, nakakahawan ka, kaya pasensya na. Gusto ko nang malaman na, mahal pa kita, di makasalita, kaya pasensya na. Pasensya na. Gusto ko nang malaman na, mahal pa kita, di makasalita. Pasensya na. Pasensya na. Malaman na mahal kita. Di makasalita. Pasensya na. Pasensya na. Pasensya na. Pasensya na. Gusto ko rin malaman na mahal pa kita. Di magkasalita. Kaya pasensya na. Pasensya na. Gusto ko rin malaman na di magkasalita. Kaya pasensya na. Pasensya na.
Ano yun ang TV? Pero hindi yun, no? Ano naman mga oras ang signal na mga natin, nakaparong yan.
Very beautiful girl, you. Thank you. Modans. Okay, get ready for work. Show belly kiss. I need to go into work. Bye. Thank you so much for joining the live. See you next live. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much. Hope you subscribe my channel. Dito itapon mo na. And yeah, thank you so much for joining here. See you next live. Bye bye. Love you all.
Wala nga yan po ng signal.